No pork or beef this Lenten season? I got you. Calamari arrabbiata. Let's go. If you like this video, don't forget to follow my page, subscribe to my YouTube channel, and as always, Purpose Sean.